of grade 10, Maverick and Villegas.
Hello everyone! First and foremost, I'd like to give a special thanks to our school founder and president, Sir Armando de Guzman! To our beautiful principal, Miss Amy Arcelia! And of course, to my amazing and wonderful parents, hey guys, to all of the school staff, faculties, and maintenance who made this ceremony possible. And of course, let's not forget about our teachers, there they are, who endured the noisiness of our classes, answered all of our endless questions, and somehow still managed to decipher our incomprehensible handwriting. That must have been hard, sorry for that. And of course, congratulations to all of us, where we have all made it so far. Give yourself a round of applause. You deserve it, give yourselves a hug. We did it, guys. Now here we are, all gathered wearing these Barong Tagalogs and Filipinas, looking like we all time traveled to a chapter of No Limitan Chere. All those nights of staying up late just to finish schoolwork and having to wake up so early in the morning just for the sake of perfect attendance has finally paid off. I could even see a lot of stunning Maria Claras here tonight. Hey guys! And of course the boys are the handsome Ivans. They're not as handsome as me, of course, but they're still okay. I'm kidding. I love you guys. A lot of things happened this school year, huh? We had a lot of fun moments like our field trip, our Mardi Gras, prom, class parties, and even those times where we just hang out with our friends. But we also had moments that weren't so fun, right? Moments that actually scared the living daylights out of us. Like waiting for the results of our competitions. And quizzes, reports, projects, and especially cramming for exams. Whew, I am not gonna miss those moments. But honestly, both of those moments are what made this school year so memorable. Like how a piano has both white and black keys. Say the white keys represent happiness, while the black keys show sadness. Sorry, Gian. Both of these may seem different at first glance, but when played together, they create harmony. And that's exactly what life is. Usually, people who do these speeches give words of wisdom for the future, but honestly, I am terrified myself. But let me tell you something, I realized we were given a lot of heavy tasks. Do not worry. Stop worrying. Because when you put too much of your attention on something on the future, you'll miss out on the present. Don't rush things. Take it slow. Enjoy and cherish every moment that is in front of you right now, and don't worry about tomorrow. It has its own problems, it can take care of itself. And do any of you think that by worrying, it can help change your situation? So it's pointless to worry. And I know that some of you aren't sure yet what you want to be in the future. And actually, guys, that is not a bad thing. Because those who say they already know what they want to be in the future, guys, they keep changing their answer every single freaking time. It gets so stressful. So much better to just take your time to find it. And I know, I have faith that you will all find it someday. So as we say goodbye to this amazing school year, to all of my fellow graduates, to all of my friends, I'll never really say goodbye to you guys. I can say goodbye to Eka, I'm not saying goodbye to you. This will not be the last time we're gonna see each other, I promise you that. The second Eka announces that they're throwing a reunion, I'm expecting full attendance, huh? Yeah, right? If you don't show up, we'll track you down, I promise you that. Eka knows your address. And to our wonderful and of course most beautiful advisor, Mrs. Lourdes Cruz. Where is she? There. Yeah. Thank you so much now for everything. Luis is so blessed to have you as his mom. And for all of you, when people tell you that you're not good enough, again, the words don't matter. We've all made mistakes, but don't let that stop you and just keep moving forward. That's all that matters. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2024. May God bless you all, and may all of the glory always be to Him. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Maverick and Williams. What an impactful speech from our class valedictorian. Just like what Maverick said, if you are still confused and you don't know what you want to be in the future, just keep